Students, Assalamu alaikum. Here is Naveed Ahmed Sahito once again before you with a new topic, correction of the sentences. Today we study. I have written here some sentences, 10 sentences. We have to find out errors. Either errors you will or we will find according to prepositions, according to verb, according to adjectives, and usage of not only, scarcely, even abstract noun, and ing form. Regarding ing form, either where we can use to infinitive case, where we use ing form or present participle in a sentence. So this is all about correction of the sentences. Here is number 1. The police caught him from the neck. What will be the right answer according to you? The police caught him from the neck. I think here is mistake. From the neck is error. The right answer will be, or the correct answer will be, the police caught him by the neck. By the neck, why we use by the neck? Because it is, neck is the part of body. That is why. Number 2, Salma is better than brave. Here is the mistake regarding to adjectives. We must keep one thing in our mind: when adjective compare with another adjective, then first adjective cannot be written in comparative degree, but it will be in this format. We have to take the help of a good. Salma is a more good than brave. The correction of this sentence will be Salma is more good. So here such kind of sentence, when you find in your examination, you can correct them in this way. Here can be another comparative degree. Cleverer can be, you can write down more clever. Wiser, you can write down more wise. So in this way we have to correct it. The correct answer is Salma is more good than brave. Put your sign here. Here is a mistake in verb, because put is also verb. Put your sign here. Here will be after possessive case noun. So sign is not a noun, sign is a verb. The correct answer will be put your signature here. Put your signature here is right answer. Number 4. He was not only foolish but also obstinate. हू न सिर्फ बेवकूफ़ हुयो पर ज़िद्दी भी हुयो. ऑब्स्टिनेट जो मतिलबु आहे ज़िद्दी माण्हू हूंदा आहिनि, अनयील्डिंग हुनखे चवंदा आहियूं. हाणे हिन जो स्ट्रक्चर आहे जेको नॉट ओनली जो यूज़ेज आहे. नॉट ओनली वाज़ ही, दिस इज़ अ स्ट्रक्चर, बट नॉट ही वाज़ नॉट ओनली. Not only was he foolish, but also obstinate. This is the right answer. Not only was he is the format of not only plus but. When we use not only plus but in a sentence, the structure of sentence will be not only was he, not only was she, not only was I, not only were they, in this format. Number 5, here is beauty abstract noun. Here is the people. We can add definite article with people, but beauty abstract noun cannot be used with a definite article. So simple answer will be beauty fascinates the people. Beauty fascinates the people, that is correct. Because abstract noun, abstract noun, there are so many abstract nouns we can use in a sentence without definite article, but abstract and material nouns. But when we use definite article with them, then we make proper them. Suppose honesty is the best policy. This is abstract noun. Honesty is the best policy. Before honesty, I have not used definite article, but I have to make, when I want to make honesty as a proper noun, then I can add the. Suppose the honesty of Salim, the honesty of Naim is famous. Here honesty becomes proper, that is why we added definite article. But here beauty does not become proper noun, it is abstract noun, that is why we have to delete definite article in this sentence. Here is another example. We had scarcely entered the room, then the phone rang. Here is mistake in this conjunction. Whenever we use scarcely and hardly in a sentence, then we have to use word when as a conjunction. Here is we had scarcely entered the room, when the phone rang. We have to keep in mind that with scarcely and hardly we have to use when but not then. This is the right answer. Here is number 7. Number 7, open your book on page 20. Open your book on page 20, number 7. What will be the mistake? Here is a mistake in preposition. Open your book at page 20. Preposition will be at because of page 20 here becomes particular. We are talking about at page 20 but not on. On is in stagnant condition where we use on. Something is on, suppose. Here is the verb open. He is ready to say it at your face. Number 8. Here is mistake in preposition. There will be not at. What will be? He is ready to say it to your face. Preposition to must be keep in your mind that here will be the right preposition to, but not at, or but not on at. These are wrong. Number 9. She is used to work hard. Here is mistake. Number 10. She insisted on to wear blue socks. Here is mistake. Here we can use present participle instead of infinitive. Why? Because this is the structure is used to or was used to or were used to. Suppose here is a she is used to working hard. इन जो मतलब आहे हूअ सख़्त महिनत करण जी आदी आहे. Suppose here this here look at here. She was used to telling a lie. हूअ कूड़ ॻाल्हाइण जी आदी हुई. मतलब त was were plus used to is am plus used to we have to place ing form. Here is was were is am plus used to plus ing form. This is the structure. I am used to taking tea. मां चांहि पीअण जो शौक़ीन आहियां. ट्रांसलेशन आहे सिंधीअ में. I am used to taking tea, but not I am used to take tea. So here is the structure with to be verbs are helping us. We have to after used to ing form place. The case is similar. The word is insisted on. Insisted on also is used with ing form. She insisted on wearing blue socks. हुन पिण ब्लू जोराबा पाइण ते ज़ोर ॾिनो. इंसिस्टेड ऑन कयो, ज़िद कयो, ज़ोर ॾिनो त मां ब्लू ई पाईंदमि, ॿी के न पाईंदमि. मतिलबु हाणे असांखे इहो सम्झणो आहे त हिते प्रेज़ेंट पार्टिसिपल कहिड़ी कंडीशन्स में असां इस्तेमालु था कयूं. नोट कयो. नंबर 1, लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू. Looking forward to ing form. No use of ing form. No good in plus ing form. Looking forward to ing form. No use of ing form, no good in ing form, and don't mind structure. Don't mind ing form, and after that use to ing form. Insisted on ing form, objected to plus ing form. Suppose here I am going to explain in a sentences. I am looking forward to meeting you on Sunday. I am looking forward to meeting you on Sunday. I am looking forward to seeing you again. Here is another example. Number 1. Number 2, no use. There is no use of speaking truth before them. There is no use of speaking truth before them. उन्हनि जे अॻियां सच ॻाल्हाइण में को बि फ़ाइदो न आहे. There is no good, there is no use of crying here. हिते रोअण में को बि फ़ाइदो न आहे. There is no use of speaking truth. सच ॻाल्हाइण में को बि फ़ाइदो न आहे. There is no use of telling a lie. कूड़ ॻाल्हाइण में को बि फ़ाइदो न आहे. Number 3, no good. There is no good in sending you to school. तव्हांखे स्कूल में मोकिलण में को फ़ाइदो न आहे. There is no good in crying before me. मुंहिंजे अॻियां रोअण में को फ़ाइदो न आहे. There is no good in telling a lie. Same condition, ing form. यानी कूड़ ॻाल्हाइण में को बि फ़ाइदो न आहे. Number 4, don't mind staying away from me. Don't mind staying away from me. Don't mind taking a tea, ing form. Objected to. Number 5, he objected to being treated like that. He objected to being treated like that. This is the structure of objected to after ing form. So here our lecture sums up. So see you again with the next topic, inshallah. Allah Hafiz.